So WIRES is a complete end-to-end regulatory reporting system. It allows our customers to produce all of their regulatory returns from one system, validate them against the prescribed rules from the regulator, and then put them through a comprehensive workflow process before being submitted to the regulators. So our customers regularly tell us that we've got the most comprehensive system on the market with the most full functionality. They like that they can talk to us about any functionality that's missing, and we can work with them to build that into the system. Functionality already in the system, such as tolerances and thresholds, can be set up, so if those are breached, we feed that back to the customer in the form of a flag. Any manual changes that are made in the system are also flagged up to the customer and then fully audited. Maintaining the regulatory relevance of WIRES is of paramount importance. It's a regulatory reporting product, so keeping it up to date is vital. We have a team of regulatory experts who keep an eye on all the regulation that comes down from the regulator and make sure that this is built into the product in good time to be delivered to our customers. Further to this, we have a regular newsletter and user group meetings so that we can publicise these changes to our users.